Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can level up your friendship with Disney Dreamlight Valley characters. So I'm trying to level up my friendship with Daisy, so I'm just going to select her, talk, and I can talk with her, and it's going to level up some of the levels. Like that, and then here I'm going to go back to Daisy and I'll press let's hang out, and I assigned her as like helping me fish, like the task, so that whenever I fish it'll level up the friendship as well. Here, I'll just fish a little bit to show you. Here, as you can see, there's going to be pink stars. You can also go to the collection, go to characters, and find Daisy and see the favorite things of the day: chocolate chip cookies, red passion lily, and shiny diamond. So I'm going to, for instance, give her, what is it, red passion lily? I keep forgetting. Okay, I'm going to go to Frosted Heights with her. It's easier when the character is following you, so you don't have to like come back and stuff. What's this? Okay, I'll go and figure that out later. I'm going to go back to Daisy. I'm going to talk to her, and I'll select I have something to give you, and I'm going to give her the red passion lily. And as you can see, my friendship leveled up with her to level 5. And also, when they're in the Remy's restaurant and they're there, you can also level up the friendship with them by serving them a meal. So those are just basically the things you can do to level up your friendship with Disney Dreamlight Valley characters. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!